Today I have the pleasure of presenting to you the first Audi A3 with matrix headlight. That's right, the first Audi A3 with a matrix headlight from 2016. You all know that there was no matrix headlight in 2016, but the Chinese, as much as I bring a lot of accessories here for you, included. It's Black Friday time. Now I'm going to provide you with a link to this headlight and show you what it's all about. Take note of how small the box is that these headlights came from. Just take a look. They sent the Audi A3 headlights to me in this gigantic box, and of course I'm going to show you everything in detail. One of the things that I thought was cool from the get-go is that the Chinese pay a lot of attention to detail, even in the packaging. Take a look at the packaging that they sent. They took an effort to send it here. They sent everything with styrofoam inside, but this giant piece of styrofoam, even cut out in the shape of the lighthouse. Look at how thick it is here. They send it in the shape of the lighthouse, but calm down everyone, calm down. I'm going to showcase the lighthouse to you here. Relax, one thing at a time. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. This is really cool. I'll also show you what it looks like installed on the car before and after. The headlight is here. I'm going to show you now. Right here on the back of the headlight. One of my queries I had asked China was if it was going to come with LED bulbs. The headlight also comes with xenon. The ballasts have already arrived here. So here are the two ballasts. He maintains that system. It adjusts the headlight. So you will see here that it has the bar that adjusts the automatic headlight, so you won't miss out on this function. It comes with all the original fittings. Here the ceiling covers are also the same as the original ones. The seal is really good. But now the highlight for you is the lighthouse itself. It's really beautiful. The quality is top notch. It's very appealing, including the black mask on the inside. It's all black, as you can see here. The beautiful light cannon comes from within. The other two small reflection cannons, as well as the arrow, now they go. So here it is. It will light up in white daytime running light, DRL. And when you indicate, it will change to white or yellow. When you indicate, it turns to yellow. When you don't indicate, it returns to white, and it has that startup lighting. It fills the entire headlight here when you turn on the headlight for the first time. So it's quite beautiful. I'm sure you are very eager to see it. It's mounted on the car, and it actually arrived today. I'm going to install this headlight today. I'm going to make a before and after video showing it mounted on the car. As far as I know, it's the first Audi A3 sedan in Brazil with this headlight. And then you might be asking, how much did this headlight cost? Well, this headlight, right, a pair of them, cost around 3,000 reais plus shipping, which is about 500 to 700 reais, depending on when you're going to buy it. Of course, I bought them for a really good price, right? I got a great deal. I bought them before the new taxation system was introduced, so it arrived here, and surprisingly enough, it arrived without any fees in Brazil, which I was really pleased with. It was a great value for the money for me, but I can't guarantee that you'll be able to count on the same luck as I had, especially because now there's no longer an option to buy without. Well, I've received it already, and I'm going to install it for you. I'll leave its link for you in the description in case you want to start a totally different project. I believe there will be few Audi A3s in Brazil with this headlight. Actually, mine is the first of the sedan models to feature this headlight. I know there might be a hatchback model, but it's not an A3, it's an S3 that another guy put together. So I'm the first of the sedan drivers to make a video on YouTube, post it here, show the results, show the before and after, show the headlight outside the car, reminding you that we're currently in the season of Black Friday. We have a website where we list all the links to all the accessories for the Audi A3 that I have in my car available on Black Friday. So you'll be able to purchase them there. The links are directly from China. I'll leave the link to this headlight and the website with all the accessories at the best Black Friday prices below for you. And remember, our coding courses are also on Black Friday. We only have 5 spots available. Once they're sold, we won't open new ones until next January. So we have 5 spots with a hefty discount. Take a look. We're also offering a 400 reais discount on our coding course. So if you like this video, If you've never seen a car or any actress with this headlight, comment below. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me if you think it's cool, and of course, if you want to buy any accessory, make the most of this Black Friday. Go to the links we've left below for you, both for our coding course and for all the accessories we recommend. They're available for direct purchase from China, okay? I hope I helped you. Take care. Bye-bye, guys.